Hi there. Welcome to Untitled Offroad. I'm David Wakely. Thanks for joining us. I've got a trail run I got to get done tomorrow, and in order to do it, I got to do some maintenance. And I plan on taking some video tomorrow, so I got to practice some of that. So why not kill two birds with one video? I think that's how the saying goes. Anyway, let's get trucking on it. So what kind of super important maintenance do I need to get done on the truck? On the cruiser? I need to change my turn signal. Not everything in maintenance is that glamorous, but things need to get done. Plus, I can practice some of this video stuff. Anyway, let's go. And that's out. So we got the bastard out. Let's take the parts we need off of it and just reassemble it, and then get back out there and put it all back in. All right, so this is pretty much what we have. Obviously the tree went in there, smashed in some good portion of the lens obviously, and then blew the back of it right completely out. So good job on me for managing to do that and missing all the other vital important parts of the equation. So don't need this anymore. That's a piece of garbage. So we'll get rid of that. And then yeah, we'll take this apart. So fancy LED bulb that I only have one on the one side now. And then this is garbage. So we'll throw. Oh god, we'll throw this out. And then got some parts in from Toyota Dallas, so let's see. So we got in here. Ordered the lens, and then also got some parts for the emergency brake, but won't need any of that. So. And luckily the lens looks like it's right on top. So we'll get rid of the rest of it. And right away, I am in trouble, and luckily I didn't actually throw away the other part yet. So. Whoa! Goodness for that. Still need this. So and Bob is my mother's brother. Seems to work. And that seems to work. Oh, and we don't have screws in here either, so I am really throwing away all the parts that I still need. Right. All right. So, grab these screws, get some of these on there. Part of the problem is now this is going to look too good compared to the other one. Doesn't help my cause. Alright. Well, let's go put this in the truck. Alright. Here we are. Let's put this bad boy back in here. Aha. Down for a second. Alright. Seems to be in there. Seems to fit. And she's home sweet home. Victory. So turn signal works. That's a good thing. Got a big drive ahead of me tomorrow, heading out to Ruby Falls. So hopefully this video thing turned out okay. Hopefully you liked it. Definitely hit like and subscribe if you did. The bell to get notifications, however the hell that works. But I'm gonna get going. We'll end it here, and hope you enjoyed it.